Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Teams microphone not working. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your settings and then go all the way down until you find privacy and security. And inside of here, you will find microphone permissions. Simply ensure that your Teams is enabled here. Once you've done that and it still doesn't fix your problem, you might need to update the application. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and search for Teams like I'm doing at the moment, and that is not Teams. I search for Trans, and once you search for Teams, all you need to do is tap on Microsoft Teams and there will be an update button if there are any updates available right over here where the open button is located. If none of it fixes it, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your Teams application to fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.